This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Facebook app or website and sign into your account now. Tap the bell icon labeled Notifications at the top right of the screen. Scroll through the list to find the notification you want to remove. Click the three dots next to that notification to open more actions. Choose Delete or Remove from the menu to permanently clear that notification. Confirm the deletion when prompted to complete the removal process immediately. You can also mark notifications as Read instead if you prefer to keep history. To clear many notifications, open Settings and go to Notification Settings. On mobile, tap Menu, then Settings, then Notifications to access controls quickly. Use the notification filters to choose email, push, or SMS categories to edit. Turn off specific alerts like event invites, group posts, or friend suggestions. Select Turn Off to stop future notifications or manage to adjust frequency and types. Changing these settings can reduce notification volume by more than 50%. Always on desktop, click the bell icon and then see All to open notification history. Hover over a notification and click the three dots to reveal Delete or Turn Off. Use Clear All on the top right to remove visible notifications in one action. Be aware Clear All may not remove email copies stored in your inbox or archives. To stop repeated alerts, unfollow or mute the original post or group producing them. Regularly review notification settings every month to keep alerts under control and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.